going to be covering, what I'm going to be bringing you guys, and we'll just go from there. We'll see how it goes. It's my first time vlogging. It's going to be, I'm looking forward to it. It's not something I've done before, but it's something I think you guys will appreciate. I think you'll enjoy the content that I'm hoping to bring you. This channel's really going to be based around cars in all forms, whether that's motorsport, whether it's reviewing a car, hanging out with friends, attending races as a spectator or a competitor, anything to do with cars that I think you guys are going to enjoy. If there's something you want to see, please feel free to pop it in the comments, subscribe, like. I'm hoping to bring you guys some really cool content this coming year. We've got some really good opportunities, good things coming up. We're going to Silverstone on the 28th of January for a charity event. We're going to be taking some friends, some family around the track. Really looking forward to that. And yeah, I mean, I'm just really excited to have you guys watching, have you along for the journey. And 2018 is going to be a good year. Let's have a go, let's see how we get on.